When using fruits, nuts, and peels, there are several important points to consider to ensure their safety and maximize their benefits. Here are some key points to keep in mind. 1. Wash fruits and vegetables. Before using any fruits or peels, make sure to wash them thoroughly under running water to remove dirt, pesticides, and any harmful bacteria. To remove peels properly. If using fruit peels, ensure they are organic and free from any chemical residue. Wash them thoroughly, and if possible, opt for peels from fruits that are specifically grown for consumption, example, organic oranges or lemons. 3. Nut allergies. Be cautious about using nuts, as they are common allergens. Always be mindful of potential allergies in yourself or others who might consume the food. 4. Storage. Store fruits, nuts, and peels properly to maintain their freshness and prevent spoilage. Keep fruits and nuts in a cool, dry place and use airtight containers to store dried peels. 5. Expiration date. Check the expiration date on any packaged nuts or dried fruits. Avoid using them if they are past their expiration date. 6. Drying fruits and peels. If you are drying fruits or peels at home, follow proper drying techniques and ensure they are thoroughly dried to prevent mold growth. 7. Use ripe and fresh produce. When using fruits, choose ripe and fresh ones for the best flavor and nutrient content. 8. Culinary uses. Be creative with your culinary use of fruits, nuts, and peels. They can be used in various dishes, salads, desserts, smoothies, and snacks. 9. Nutritional value. Fruits and nuts can provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, it's essential to balance their consumption as they may also be high in calories and natural sugars. 10. Moderation. As with any food, moderation is key. Overindulgence in certain fruits, nuts, or peels may lead to excessive calorie intake or nutrient imbalances. 11. Allergies and dietary restrictions. Take into account any dietary restrictions or health conditions when using these ingredients. For example, some people may have sensitivities to citrus fruits or nuts due to specific health issues. 12. Food safety. Pay attention to food safety guidelines when using fruits and nuts in recipes or food preparation. Proper cooking and storage can prevent foodborne illnesses. 13. Organic options. When possible, choose organic fruits and nuts to minimize exposure to pesticides and other chemicals. 14. Composting. If you have leftover peels or fruit scraps, consider composting them to reduce waste and create nutrient-rich compost for your garden. Remember, while fruits, nuts, and peels can be nutritious and delicious additions to your diet, it's essential to use them responsibly and safely to enjoy their benefits fully. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist if you have specific health concerns or dietary needs.